Hey everyone, Nifty Naomi here. I've been working on something for a while now, and it's finally ready. I made a full masterclass on the QBO bank feed. I've watched so many QBO users get tripped up by this thing for too many years. Here's what it's about. The QBO bank feed looks simple until you find out that it's actually not. If you find the QBO bank feed to be spooky, untrustworthy, or confusing, there's a very good reason for that. QBO fuses two completely different bookkeeping methodologies into one interface and doesn't explicitly explain this to users. The bank feed is where those two systems collide, and if you don't understand what's happening at that seam, the bank feed will surprise you, mislead you, and create problems that are very hard to trace back. I'm Naomi Wilkins, aka Nifty Naomi, and I've spent years figuring out exactly what the bank feed is doing under the hood, every mistake it makes, every shortcut it offers, and how to use it on purpose instead of just thinking you get how it works. And I've trained both new and learning bookkeepers to navigate this software, and I have seen how the bank feed trips up even seasoned bookkeepers. I've come to see that understanding QBO's bank feed is the linchpin to understanding QBO. This course explains exactly what the bank feed is doing at every step so that you can use it deliberately instead of being caught off guard by it. It also pulls back the curtain on the inner workings of the bank feed and the QBO bank reconciliation so that you can understand in your bones what it is doing, and also understand the perspective of the QBO user if you need to troubleshoot someone else's mess. Master the bank feed and you master QBO. The full course is up now. The link is in the description. And if this is useful to people you know, please share it. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit subscribe. I'll be posting more QBO breakdowns in my channel. Thanks so much for watching.